Securely hanging a heavy mirror is an easy project if you have the right tools and mounting hardware. Here's what you'll need. First, to determine the appropriate mounting hardware, you'll need to consider the material your wall is made of, as well as the weight of the mirror you plan to hang. Next, secure heavy-duty wire between D-rings to make hanging easier. And whenever possible, secure heavy mirrors and artwork directly into wall studs. If installing wall anchors, you'll need to first mark the mirror's placement on the wall with a mark centered along the top edge of the mirror's frame. Now, determine the distance between the taut wire on the back and the top edge of the mirror. Then, with that distance in mind, drop down from the line and make a mark where the anchor will be located. Next, drill a pilot hole and secure the anchors into the wall per manufacturer's specifications. Then, insert the screw into the anchor, leaving about a quarter of the screw exposed to secure the picture hanging wire. Finally, with help, hang the mirror, then step back and admire your work. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.